Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear how we can calculate standard deviation, then coefficient of standard deviation, variance and coefficient of variation from a single statement. Let us write down the statement. These all are the measures of dispersion. For the statement, values are given. First of all, the values of x are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and last one is 60 to 70. And the values of frequency is also given. Let us write down frequency, which is 10, 18, 32, 40, 22 and last one is 18. First of all, let us write down all the formulae related to standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation. We have already clear. Then variance and coefficient of variation. For the calculation of standard deviation is equal to sigma f dx square divided by n minus sigma f dx divided by n whole square whole under root multiplied by c common class interval. Coefficient of standard deviation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean, and the value of arithmetic mean is equal to a plus sigma f dx dash divided by n multiplied by c, and coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean multiplied by 100. Only coefficient of variation is such a type of assignment in which your answer will be positive. Otherwise, all coefficients, their answer will be less than 0. This is standard deviation. This is coefficient of standard deviation and this is standard deviation. So these all are the formulae related to standard deviation, coefficient of variation, variance and coefficient of variation. These all are the measures of dispersion. So let us start, because here for the calculation of coefficient of standard deviation arithmetic mean is required. So first of all we will do calculate the values of arithmetic mean. For the calculation of arithmetic mean, because here the statement is given in continuous series, so first of all let us prepare mid values. For the mid values 10 to 20, mid values will be 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and last one is 65. Now let us assume 35 as mid value. Assumed mean we can assume, and m minus a will be the values of dx. These are the values of dx. 35 minus 15, it will be minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20 or 30. For dx dash, dx will be divided by common class interval, which is of 10. It will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and last one is 3. Then let us do calculate f dx dash, then f dx dash square. Frequency is multiplied by dx dash. So frequency or dx dash, the calculations will be minus 20, because 10 multiplied by minus 2, minus 20, minus 18, 0, 40, then 44, then 54. Next, we have to multiply last two columns for the calculation of, uh, still, if we are calculating f dx dash, then calculations are sufficient for the calculation of the values of arithmetic mean. Because we have to calculate standard deviation, so f dx dash square is also required. So last two calculations will be multiplied. It will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 20. It will be 40 plus 40 plus 18, 0, 40, 88, 162. So these all are the calculations, and then we have to sum up sigma f dx dash and sigma f dx dash square. F dx dash is equal to minus values minus 20, minus 18. These will be separately added, and positive values will be separately added. So these ultimately these will be 100. So minus 38 minus 38 or plus 138, 38 it will be 100. So the values are 100 regarding sigma f dx dash is equal to 100, and 40 plus 18 plus 0 plus 40 plus 88 plus 162. Here the calculations will be 248. Now let us do calculate all the values. First of all, let us calculate the value of arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to a plus sigma f dx dash divided by n multiplied by common class interval is equal to, we have assumed 35. 35 plus sigma f dx dash, that is 100, divided by total, the values of n is equal to, here n is equal to 140. Sum up all the values of n and it will be 140. Multiplied by common class interval, that is 10, is equal to 35 plus 10 divided by 14, and that is 7.143 is equal to 42.1 will be the answer of arithmetic mean. Then next we have to calculate standard deviation. The value of standard deviation will be equivalent to, standard deviation is equal to sigma f dx dash square divided by n multiplied by sigma f dx dash divided by n whole square whole under root multiplied by c. While putting the value, sigma f dx dash square, that is 248, divided by 140 multiplied by 100 divided by 140 whole square whole under root and common class interval, that was of 10 unit. And next it will be equivalent to 2.486 multiplied by 0.516 under root multiplied by 10 is equal to 1.4057 multiplied by 10, and the answer is 14.057 will be the answer of standard deviation. 14.057. And next we have to calculate variance. variance is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean, standard deviation square. Only variance is equal to, here we have skipped one formula, variance is equal to standard deviation square, or we can also write down standard deviation square because this is a sign of standard deviation. So here we have write down number 1 standard deviation, number 2 coefficient of standard deviation, number 3 arithmetic mean, number 4 coefficient of variation, and last one is variance. Variance can be calculated when standard deviation, we can take square root of standard deviation. Variance is equal to standard deviation square. So we have calculated standard deviation, which is equivalent to 140.057 whole square, and it will be equivalent to 197.6, approximately 197.6 will be the answer. And next we have to calculate coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is equal to, formula is standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean multiplied by 100 is equal to, the value of standard deviation is equal to 14.057 and the value of arithmetic mean is 42.1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 33.33. So we have calculated number 1 arithmetic mean, number 2 standard deviation, number 3 variance, number 4 coefficient of variation, and number 5, let us put the value in coefficient of standard deviation. We have to calculate coefficient of standard deviation. So I am writing down coefficient of standard deviation is equal to, here we will calculate coefficient of standard deviation. Formula is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean. The value of standard deviation is 14.057 divided by arithmetic mean. The value of arithmetic mean is 42.1 and the answer will be 0.333. This is the answer of coefficient of standard deviation. So we have calculated 5 formulae. Number 1 arithmetic mean, the answer is 42.1. Then standard deviation, answer is 14.057. Variance, answer is 197.6. Coefficient of variation is equal to 33.33. And coefficient of standard deviation is 0.333. So in this way, we can calculate coefficient of variation. We have already calculated standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation. Today's topic that was exclusively related to variance and coefficient of variation. But nothing is new in it. We have already calculated standard deviation because without help of standard deviation you can't calculate variance or coefficient of variation. So variance and coefficient of variation totally dependent upon the calculation of standard deviation. So that's all regarding this topic. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation. Thank you.